This is the guided practice for lesson 1-8. It says add or subtract, use any strategy. Well, the first problem is 14 minus 9, and I already have 9 tokens here in this first 10 frame. And the reason why I did that is because I want to add on. So 9 plus what equals 14? So I have 9, 1 more makes 10, and then 4 more make 14. So 9 plus what? 9 plus 5 equals 14, and that's why there's a 5 there. This is number 2 for the guided practice. It says 17 minus 9. And as you can see, I'm going to use the same strategy here because 9 is really close to 10. And it's super easy to add 1 to it to make a 10. And then I just have to add 7 more to finally get to 17. And when I do that, I have 7 plus 1, and 7 plus 1 is 8. So 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. This is number 3, and it says 5 plus 7. Now, normally when I'm adding, I'll start with the largest addend, but on this case, I'm not going to. And the reason behind it is because I know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now I don't want to add 5 plus 5, I want to add 5 plus 7. So I'm just going to add 2 more. So it's going to be 10 plus 2, and that's going to equal 12. This is number 4, and it says 10 minus 5. This one's kind of easy. I'm going to go ahead and use the addition. And it's easy because I just did 5 plus 5, and that equaled 10. So I'm going to know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. So then 10 minus 5 is going to equal 5. And this is number 5. 6 minus 0, well, there's 6. If I take away nothing, I'm going to have 6. That one was pretty easy. This is number 6. 9 plus 9, what's it equal? I have a 10 frame with 9 here. To have a complete 10 frame, I just need to add 1 more. And if I'm adding 1 more, then that means I have 8 more to add to make it a 9 plus 9. And I have 18. This is number 7, 12 minus 4. It's easier for me to make the 12 a 10, so I'm going to start with 12. I'm going to take away 2 to make the 10, and then I'm going to have to take away 2 more. So I have 4 taken away, and what do I have left? I have 8. Number 8. It says 10 plus 10. I have a full 10 frame. If this was another full 10 frame, that would be 10 plus 10, and that would be 20. So this is problem number 9. Again, if I'm going to be making a 10, which number would I turn into a 10? 11 or 4? So I have 11 minus 4. I'm going to turn that 11 into a 10. It's going to be easier for me. So what I'm going to do, 11 minus 4, I'm going to take 1 away, and then I'm going to have to take 3 more away to have taken a total of 4. So 11 minus 4 is going to be 7. 11 minus 1 is 10, 10 minus 3 is 7, 11 minus 4 is 7. Number 10, 9 plus 1. Well, 9 is already here, and I add 1, and I get 10. That one was pretty easy. Number 11 is 8 plus 0. Well, here's 8. If I don't add anything to it, I get 8. Number 12, it says 16 minus 8. And when I'm looking at that, I'm thinking, which number can I make into an easy 10? And the 8 I'm going to be able to make into an easy 10. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start with 8 and I'm going to add until I get to 16. Well, I already added 2. That's 10. I'm going to have to add 6 more. So how many did I add total? 6 plus 2 is 8. So 16 minus 8 equals 8. And that is the guided practice for lesson 1-8. The idea here is that you can use any strategy you want to. The strategies that I used were the ones where I could make an easy 10 out of one of those numbers. So that's what I try to do most of the time. Easy 10s.